Kelly bar is another co-product of our company. The most professional R&D and production team. The core R&D, processing, and production personnel are all from the leading enterprises of this industry, with more than 10 years of experience in the design and manufacture of Kelly bars. We have provided tailor-made Kelly bar and technical services for almost all the well-known brands of rotary drilling rigs, both at home and abroad. Top quality special steel materials. The steel pipe used in the Kelly bar comes from the selected materials made by the first-class steel enterprises at home and abroad. The yield strength and service life are more than doubled compared with the general purpose products, meeting the rigorous requirements in drilling hard rock and virus strata.